Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest items in men's underwear, the Tommy John Second Skin Boxer Briefs. Known for their comfort and innovative design, these boxer briefs have been making waves in the market. Let's see why they're considered the best from Tommy John. The Tommy John Second Skin Boxer Briefs are crafted from a luxurious blend of 90% modal and 10% spandex. This fabric combination not only feels silky soft but also offers exceptional breathability, making them ideal for all-day wear. These boxer briefs feature Tommy John's longest inseam yet, providing full coverage down the thigh for maximum comfort. Say goodbye to lint balls and fuzz. The premium modal fabric ensures these boxer briefs maintain a smooth, impeccable look wash after wash. Tommy John has reimagined the traditional fly with a horizontal quick-draw design, offering fast and easy access when you need it most. Designed to cradle and support your natural shape without restriction, the contour pouch ensures comfort and control throughout the day. Tommy John is known for its commitment to quality and innovation in men's underwear. These second skin boxer briefs are a testament to their dedication to comfort and functionality. Compared to other brands in the market, Tommy John stands out with its focus on superior materials and thoughtful design elements like the horizontal quick-draw fly and contour pouch support. If you're looking for the best in men's boxer briefs, the Tommy John Second Skin Boxer Briefs are definitely worth considering. From their luxurious modal fabric to their innovative design features, these boxer briefs offer unparalleled comfort and style. That wraps up our review of the Tommy John Second Skin Boxer Briefs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the latest products. See you next time.